Hello and welcome from Team Coverlay. Thanks for watching this video. We want to show you our brand new door panels that we just came out with, our 1894F and N. Of course, the 1894F is for a full power door and the 1894N is for no power. These fit the Chevy and GMC S-10 pickup and Blazer and the GMC S-15 Jimmy and Sonoma pickup. So these are full replacement door panels. Everything you see here is what you get, with the exception of the switch area around the lock bezel and also the switches for the window and locks. That would come with your original door panel and you would reuse those. But besides those two pieces, you get a brand new armrest, brand new door panel with new weather stripping. You've got your mat pocket down at the bottom with trim and upholstery. And also on the back, it's a really simple install. We have our Christmas tree fasteners that you just simply push back into the original door frame. Hardware is included. You just have one screw per door that's going to go in around the armrest area. And I did want to mention we have lifetime warranty with these. So you buy them as a pair, so you get driver's side and passenger side, and they come with a full written warranty, so you can feel good about your purchase. And then also we have our instructions that go with these door panels so you know how to install it. And as I mentioned, it's a really easy install. They come in several different colors to pick from. You've got maroon and blues and browns and grays. And of course black. So yeah, come check out our website, coverlaymfg.com. Also our social media channels, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and X, and TikTok. So just check out those channels and see what we have to offer. And also here's another door panel in light brown, so you can see what that one would look like. Okay, here's a close-up of the door panel. At the bottom you can see we have the trim installed over the carpeted portion. Then you have your area for your speaker that's been built in. As you come across, you're going to see a new armrest that you get with the door panel. That's been covered in vinyl. And then of course at the top you've got a new weather strip. And then you've got all the hardware that you need with this door panel. So they're complete sets. So we want to thank you again for watching this video. Please come visit us at our website or give us a call.